I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time seeing my video, kindly do well and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. So I'm going to teach you guys how to edit raw pictures and make them stand out as a creative piece. Now let's open Photoshop. So this time around, you will right click on the file and open with Photoshop. This time around, when Photoshop opens, it's not going to ask you to select a canvas or something else, but then you are going to see a surface of the camera raw filter. So here is where the magic happens. So we are going to start with the basics. You click on the basics and reduce the temperature of your image. So you go to the tinted part and reduce it small. You again go to the exposure, increase it small due to what you want to achieve. So without delaying audience, let's all copy the settings that I will make in the video. So when you feel like you are okay with what you have achieved, then you can just go forward to the color mixer. So this color mixer actually deals with whatever color you have in your image. So mine like this, I have green, I have yellowish, somehow orange. Now we are going to manipulate this color depending on the result we want to achieve. By doing this, it will really make your work stand out. Your image. It really make it clear, visible, and make it stand out as a creative piece. Now I believe we are on the same path. So when you feel like you are okay with what you have achieved so far, then go back to the basics and work on your texture. So you can go to the texture and increase it small depending on how textured you want your work to be. So I'm going to set my texture to plus 35, and me setting my texture to plus 35 will make my image very textured for everyone to see it clear and let it stand out. This doesn't mean that always when you are editing raw picture you have to set your texture to plus 35. I just want to achieve a certain quality, that's why I set mine to 35. So whenever you are working on any raw picture, try to cross check on every single detail that you add on your picture for you to achieve better results. When you feel like it's okay for you, you can click on enter on your keyboard for it to save everything you did in the camera raw filter. So now this is our final piece.